A lot of people have discovered the gold mine on TikTok and they're leveraging on it to make cool cash for themselves, estimating to over thousands of dollars. What I'm going to show you today is a realistic way to make money on TikTok, and I'm going to show you 5 very legit ways to make money on TikTok if only you know how to cut your onions. So hang on tight and follow me throughout this video. Hello guys, I'm Shallybuilds and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the second time you're seeing me, hello, hi. Do make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now there are two ways to make money online. The first is leveraging the gig economy. The gig economy is majorly about performing little tasks. It's about performing completing surveys, working on micro gigs and micro jobs. For a month, you can earn over $800 grand if you take it very seriously as a side hustler. And then they include chatting online, they include texting, they include watching videos in your comfort. And in a month, they can pay you over $800. But with the second way to earn money, which is the creator economy, you can earn way more than $800 to thousands and millions of dollars. All you need is to create and curate content. In this video, I'm going to show you how your created content will become so valuable to the extent that it gets monetized. Now, the first way to earn money on TikTok is by the program called TikTok Creator Program or TikTok Creator Funds. It pays you for your original content. You're wondering how much TikTok pays per RPM, that's revenue per mil, which is the amount of money you get for every 1,000 views you get, is around 2 to 4 cents. Yes, I know that is obviously small when you compare it to YouTube that pays around $25 for every 1,000 views you get, and it's depending on the niche anyways. For those in the finance niche, blockchain niche, business niche, they get more money than those in other niches like travel and all the rest. But you can still make lots of money on TikTok because videos easily go viral on TikTok, and then it's very easy for you to accumulate views on TikTok. Now, the second way to earn money on TikTok is called the TikTok Creativity Fund. Yeah, it's different from the first one, which is the TikTok Creator Fund, because in TikTok Creator Fund, for every RPM, revenue per mil, you get 2 to 4 cents. But in TikTok Creativity Fund, which is the second way to earn money on TikTok, is that for every 1,000 views you get $1. And to be qualified for this second program, you have to have over 10,000 followers, and then you also have to have over 100,000 views. Mind you, it's very easy to accumulate views on TikTok because videos are very quick to go viral on TikTok. And another thing is that you have to be more than 18 years old. And if you are not, but you are interested in kicking off on TikTok, or you've met up with those standards I made earlier, you can meet your sponsor, your parents, or whoever is affiliated to you, your family member, to sign up for you on your behalf. And then another major thing is that your videos must be more than 1 minute. So in creating videos that are more than 1 minute, you would want to create videos that people will come back to watch over again, and then new viewers will also love to watch and keep watching on your videos. That's where niche is very important. You need to have a niche that will encourage people to keep watching. For me, I suggest the tutorial niche, where you teach people how to do this, how to do that, the best way to do this and all that. And then some of these dance videos, because they have tendencies of going viral, and then they have high tendencies of remaining very relevant even in the long run, which we call the evergreen videos. Now, we have talked about the first way of making money on TikTok, which is the TikTok Creator Fund that pays you 2 to 4 cents for every 1,000 views. And then the second method, which is the TikTok Creativity Fund, for every 1,000 views you get $1. And now the third way to make money on TikTok is through selling products, which you do by dropshipping model. You could get a product and teach people on your videos, your TikTok videos, how to get it, how to set it up, or explaining the manual to them. So many people sell various products ranging from fashion, jewelries, cosmetics, wigs, gadgets, human hair, and all the rest. But the major thing, the secret here is that you need to choose a particular product that is highly engaging, that people are really interested in, and find the particular target audience. Else, if you choose a product that is highly engaging but your audience are absent, you are going to suffer. Or if you have a target audience and then the product is absent, you're going to suffer. So you need to balance it. You get your audience, the right audience, and then you get the right product. So make sure you get a very highly sellable and highly engaging product that people are very interested in, showing its quality and usefulness or usability in order to influence your audience to buy it. And also endeavor and make sure put in the link to which they can buy the product on your bio. Now we've talked about the third method of making money on TikTok. The fourth method of making money on TikTok is through sponsored posts. Calm down. Don't say my views, my TikTok followers is not up to 10,000 followers. So what's the essence? What does the brand need me to do? No, every brand is in various sizes. And so they are also looking for TikTok influencers in their own levels. You don't have to be a star on TikTok to be able to influence a particular product or to sponsor a particular product. No, you just need to find that company or brand in your level. There are so many companies and brands interested in having TikTokers influence their audience to buy their products. And these companies are of all sizes. You don't need to be a mega star to start getting sponsored deals on TikTok. Like I said earlier, companies of all sizes are looking for different TikTokers of all sizes and levels to influence their audience to buy their products. In order to sponsor a deal on TikTok, it simply means you have to be consistent, because that is a major prerequisite in TikTok. You have to produce consistent, high quality videos that will engage your audience, your followers, and then attract the brands that want to make deals with you. So ensure you post regularly and consistently. Now we've talked about the fourth way of earning money on TikTok, which is by sponsored deals. The third way was by selling products on TikTok. Now the fifth and final way of making lots of money on TikTok is by going live on TikTok. And I'm sure that before you go live on TikTok, you should have had a particular number of followers and views to go live. So that's why I put it as the last. In order to go live on TikTok, you just need to click the button live. And mind you, this fifth way can earn you thousands of dollars, like $2,000, $3,000 of dollars, while just going live on TikTok. To go live on TikTok is a very interactive and very interesting way of earning money on TikTok, because you get to interact with your audience, talk with them. All you have to do when you go live is interact with your audience and fans. With this, you get gift diamonds, which you can then convert into dollars. Now, these are the 5 ways to make lots of money by just being on TikTok. Like I said earlier, the first is to enroll for TikTok Creator Fund. The second is TikTok Creativity Program. The third is by selling a product. The fourth is by sponsored deals. And then the fifth is by going live on TikTok. There are so many people out there that have made it. You too can make it. Don't hold yourself back. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for coming to the end of this video with me. I believe you've learned a lot and you enjoyed this session. And then until my next video, see you in my next video. Be good. Bye.